Launching survival craft and rescue boats is one of the most critical operations during emergencies at sea. However, improper use of on-load release devices has caused numerous lifeboat accidents worldwide. In this training module, we will explore the dangers associated with on-load release devices and how to safely manage lifeboat launching in rough sea conditions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the methods of launching survival craft and rescue boats into a rough sea. Explain the safety precautions in launching survival craft and rescue boats. Launch and apply precautionary measures in accordance with the instruction manual. Give correct commands during launching, boarding, clearing the ship, and disembarking operations. An on-load release device is designed to allow the lifeboat to be released from the falls even when still under load. That is, before it is fully waterborne. This system provides speed and flexibility during emergency abandonment, especially when time and sea conditions are critical. However, when operated improperly or prematurely, the consequences can be catastrophic. Understanding its mechanism and following the correct operating procedure is essential for every seafarer's safety. In rough sea conditions, the launch must be timed carefully with the motion of the ship and the waves. The survival craft should be lowered gradually until it is just above the water surface, ensuring the craft is stable and clear of obstructions. Crew should monitor the swell and release the boat only when the sea surface is level and free from immediate wave crests. Constant communication between the coxswain, deck crew, and officer in charge is vital. Before launching, all safety checks must be completed. 1. Ensure the on-load release gear is properly secured and locked. 2. Verify that the fall preventer devices, FPDs, are fitted correctly. 3. Confirm that no personnel are under the lifeboat or near the release hooks. 4. Conduct a verbal readiness report. Engine tested, communication equipment active, and all crew seated and secured. Remember, safety is never optional. It is the foundation of every launch. Operating the on-load release device requires precision. The coxswain must ensure the craft is fully waterborne before disengaging the hooks. Releasing under tension can cause the boat to fall suddenly, injuring crew or damaging equipment. Always follow the manufacturer's operating manual. Every mechanism differs slightly, and untrained handling can trigger unintentional release. Unintentional or premature activation of the on-load release mechanism can result in serious accidents, dropping of the lifeboat, injuries, and even fatalities. Common causes include 1. Inadequate maintenance or incorrect resetting after testing. 2. Poor communication during drills. 3. Failure to use fall preventer devices. Such incidents emphasize the importance of discipline, communication, and adherence to procedure. Precautionary measures minimize risk. Always. 1. Follow the 2-person verification rule before operating the release handle. 2. Keep the instruction manual on hand and refer to the equipment markings. 3. Conduct routine inspections of hooks, cables, and safety pins. 4. Report any unusual sounds or resistance during testing. Remember, the best safety system is a well-trained, alert crew. Clear communication saves lives. The coxswain must issue concise, authoritative commands before, during, and after launch. Commands should include: crew seated and secured, ready for lowering, release on my command, and engage engine, clear the ship side. Such standardized language ensures everyone acts in unison, even under pressure. Once the craft is waterborne, the crew must ensure it clears the ship side quickly and maneuvers to safety. The coxswain maintains control, while assigned crew members assist persons from the water using heaving lines and boat hooks. All movement should follow the handling and disembarkation procedures outlined in the instruction manual. Regular maintenance ensures reliability. On-load release devices must be inspected, cleaned, and tested according to the manufacturer's specifications. Maintenance logs should be signed by authorized personnel. Proper upkeep is not just compliance, it's a commitment to every seafarer's safety. In summary, understanding the dangers associated with on-load release devices requires mastery of both technical and procedural safety. Always: 1. Launch with caution. 2. Follow the instruction manual. 3. Communicate clearly. 4. Never bypass safety devices. Competence in these skills ensures not only compliance with STCW standards, but also the survival of all on board in real emergencies. At Nautical Options Training Institute of the Philippines, we uphold one mission: safety and proficiency at sea.